Imagine stepping into a world where financial freedom isn't just a dream for the few, but a reachable goal for the many. A world where the barrier to entry in wealth-building investments like the stock market, real estate, and even cryptocurrencies is broken down, making room for beginners like you. This isn't a tale of overnight riches or dubious shortcuts. It's about unlocking the true potential of informed, strategic investing. Today, we're demystifying the secrets that have propelled the wealthy to their status, revealing how these strategies are accessible to everyone, including you. Are you ready to discover the pathways to potentially amass your own fortune through smart investing? Let's embark on this journey together, transforming complexity into clarity and aspirations into achievements. Before we get into the nitty-gritty, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Why invest? Investing isn't just a game for the affluent. It's a fundamental strategy for anyone aiming to build wealth and secure their financial future. But why dive into the world of investments? Firstly, the magic of compound interest, often hailed as the eighth wonder of the world, allows your money to grow exponentially over time. It's not merely about saving, but letting your savings work for you, multiplying year after year. Diversification is another cornerstone of wise investing. By spreading your investments across different assets like stocks, real estate, and cryptocurrencies, you minimize risks that come with market fluctuations. This strategy ensures that a downturn in one market doesn't wipe out your entire portfolio, providing a safety net for your hard-earned money. Lastly, adopting a long-term perspective is crucial. While the allure of quick profits is tempting, wealth building is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, resilience, and a commitment to staying the course, even when the market takes a dip. Remember, the goal of investing is not to get rich quick, but to ensure a stable and prosperous future. Investing in the stock market. Navigating the stock market might seem like venturing into unknown territory, but it's one of the most traditional pathways to wealth. For beginners, understanding the basics is the first step towards successful stock market investing. Stocks represent shares of ownership in a company. When you buy stocks, you're essentially buying a piece of that company's future profits and growth. One inspiring example of success in the stock market is Warren Buffett, often referred to as the Oracle of Omaha. Buffett started investing in the stock market at a young age and emphasized the importance of investing in companies you believe in for the long term. His strategy focuses on companies with strong fundamentals, including steady revenue growth, strong product lines, and good management. Over the decades, this approach has turned Buffett's initial investments into billions, making him one of the wealthiest individuals on the planet and a testament to the power of strategic stock market investing. For those not quite ready to pick individual stocks, mutual funds and index funds offer a simpler alternative. These funds pool money from many investors to purchase a wide array of stocks or bonds, providing instant diversification and reducing the risk of significant losses. Mutual funds are actively managed, meaning fund managers make decisions about how to allocate assets within the fund. Conversely, index funds are passively managed and aim to mirror the performance of a specific index, like the S&P 500, often making them a preferred option for beginners due to their lower fees and historically strong returns. Investing in the stock market requires patience and a willingness to learn. Start with a small investment, and as you become more comfortable and knowledgeable, you can gradually increase your stake. Remember, the goal is not to predict short-term wins, but to build wealth over time through informed and strategic decisions. Real estate investing. Real estate investing stands as a timeless pillar in the quest for wealth, offering multiple pathways to generate income and build equity. The beauty of real estate lies in its tangible nature and the various strategies investors can employ, from rental properties to real estate investment trusts, REITs. One of the most compelling stories of success in real estate comes from Barbara Corcoran, a name synonymous with grit and entrepreneurial spirit. Starting with a $1,000 loan, Corcoran built a billion-dollar real estate empire, showcasing that with the right strategy and determination, the real estate market is ripe with opportunity for everyone. Her journey emphasizes the importance of understanding market trends, recognizing potential, and the power of leveraging one's investments. For beginners, REITs serve as an excellent entry point into real estate investing. REITs allow individuals to invest in portfolios of real estate assets, similar to how mutual funds work for stocks. This means you can own a piece of commercial real estate, such as malls or office buildings, without having to buy the property directly. It's an accessible way to diversify your investment portfolio with real estate, providing potential for income through dividends and appreciation in value. Investing directly in property also offers the opportunity for both rental income and appreciation. The key is to research thoroughly, considering factors like location, market demand, and long-term growth potential. Remember, like any investment, real estate carries its own set of risks and requires due diligence. Real estate investing, whether through REITs or direct property ownership, requires patience, research, and sometimes a bit of luck. But by starting small and staying informed, you can navigate your way to significant returns, following in the footsteps of those who've turned modest beginnings into vast real estate portfolios. Cryptocurrency investments. Cryptocurrency investments represent the new frontier in the financial world, blending technology with investment to create opportunities for exponential growth. While it's a domain marked by volatility, it also offers unique prospects for those willing to navigate its waves wisely. A notable success story within the cryptocurrency realm is that of Vitalik Buterin, co-founder of Ethereum. Buterin's vision extended beyond just creating another digital currency. He aimed to develop a platform for decentralized applications. Ethereum's introduction has not only been a pivotal moment in crypto history, but also turned early investors into millionaires, showcasing the potential rewards of investing in innovative crypto projects. For beginners eager to dip their toes into cryptocurrency, starting small and focusing on well-established coins like Bitcoin and Ethereum is advisable. It's essential to conduct thorough research, understand the technology behind cryptocurrencies, and stay updated on market trends. Additionally, consider using a dollar-cost averaging strategy to mitigate the risks of market volatility. This approach involves regularly investing a fixed amount of money, which can help smooth out the price fluctuations over time. Diversification is also crucial in the crypto world. Just as with traditional investments, spreading your investments across different assets can reduce risk. Exploring various sectors within the cryptocurrency market, such as DeFi, decentralized finance, NFTs, non-fungible tokens, and others, can provide a broader exposure to potential growth areas. Investing in cryptocurrency requires a mindset prepared for ups and downs. The key is to view it as a long-term venture, recognizing the potential for both significant gains and losses. By staying informed, practicing patience, and making calculated decisions, investors can potentially navigate the crypto space successfully, following in the footsteps of those who've reaped its rewards. Creating your investment strategy. Embarking on your investment journey requires more than just knowing where to invest. It necessitates a solid, personalized investment strategy that aligns with your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Crafting this strategy is a critical step towards financial independence and wealth building. Start by setting clear, achievable financial goals. Are you investing for long-term growth, such as retirement, or for shorter-term objectives, like purchasing a home? Your goals will dictate your investment choices, from the asset classes you select to the risk levels you're comfortable with. Remember, the more time you have to reach your goals, the more risk you can afford to take, thanks to the power of compound interest and market recovery periods. Research and education are your best allies. The stories of Warren Buffett, Barbara Corcoran, and Vitalik Buterin underscore the importance of understanding your investments deeply. Whether it's reading books, attending workshops, or using online resources, continually educate yourself about market trends, investment strategies, and financial planning. Diversification is another key principle. By spreading your investments across different asset classes, you can buffer against the volatility of the markets. A well-diversified portfolio might include stocks, real estate, and even cryptocurrencies, each playing a unique role in achieving your financial objectives. Lastly, consider consulting with a financial advisor. A professional can offer personalized advice, helping you refine your strategy and navigate complex financial decisions. They can also provide an objective perspective, helping you stay the course during market downturns and capitalize on opportunities as they arise. Investment success doesn't happen overnight. It's the result of thoughtful planning, ongoing education, and disciplined execution. With a well-crafted investment strategy, you're setting the foundation for achieving your financial dreams and building a legacy of wealth. Congratulations on taking the first step towards unlocking the secrets of investing that have propelled many to wealth and financial freedom. Today, we've journeyed through the realms of the stock market, real estate, and cryptocurrency, uncovering strategies that can set the foundation for your investing success. Remember, the path to wealth is paved with education, patience, and strategic action. Start small, stay committed, and let your investments grow over time. If you're ready to transform your financial future, subscribe to our channel for more insights and strategies. Together, let's embark on a journey to financial independence.